Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics, Android version and at least 500 MB free because installs and cache need space. Once connected to stable Wi-Fi, disable any VPN or proxy. These often block Play services. Next, go to Settings, Apps, find Google Play Services and Play Store, force stop, then clear cache. This removes transient errors. After that, reboot the device to ensure services restart cleanly. Rebooting often resolves hung processes and prepares you for the next step. Once done with cache and reboot, dig deeper. Clear app data for Play services if cache alone failed. This resets settings and can fix corrupt tokens. Make sure system updates are applied because API mismatches break services. If issues persist, remove your Google account and re-add it to refresh authentication. Make sure sync is enabled. If Play Services still reports outdated, download the correct APK for your architecture and install. This replaces a broken binary and restores compatibility. You finish by opening the Play Store, signing in, and attempting an update to confirm functionality. Check app notifications too. If problems remain and you exhausted fixes, backup data and perform a factory reset. This is the last resort because it erases everything. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify the device date and time and ensure Google Services Framework syncs. Incorrect time or failed framework sync often prevents authentication and updates. If you follow those steps, Play Services should recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.